Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cute summer DIY craft. We're going to be creating a hanging frame decoration, and we're going to be using craft pom-poms to create the bumblebees. Okay, so for this I'm using one wooden frame from Dollar Tree. I'm actually reusing this from another craft. You'll need scissors. You'll also need hot glue. And then I have this stamp here, and this is completely optional. And then of course you'll need some ink for your stamp. I'm also using artificial flowers. And then I have these craft yellow pom-poms here that we'll be using to create the bumblebees. And then I have one white paint marker and then a black permanent marker. And then I'm also using craft paper. You can use cardboard as well. Okay, so we're going to start off by tracing the frame onto the craft paper. And once you have traced that, you're going to use your scissors and cut out that shape. Okay, so now you're ready to attach the paper to your frame. So what you're going to do is take some hot glue and apply the hot glue to the frame, and then after doing that you will press down firmly to secure the paper onto the frame. Okay, so now you're ready to add your artificial flowers to your paper. So what you'll do here is take some hot glue, apply the hot glue to the flower, and then attach that to the paper. Okay, so now we're ready to create the little bumblebees. So what we're going to do is take each of the craft pom-poms and we're going to add hot glue to them and attach them to the paper around the flowers. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a black marker and you're going to add small black marks to each of the pom-poms. This will mimic stripes on the bumblebee. And then once you have done so, you will take your white paint marker, and just behind the pom-poms you're going to create the wings for the bumblebee. Okay, so to finish off my sign, I decided to use a stamp for my decoration. I started with yellow ink and you could not see it on the paper, so I had to go back with the black. And then what I'm doing here is I'm just applying it to the stamp and then I'll place it down onto the paper. If you wanted to personalize your sign, you could use letter stamps and create your own saying. My stamp says hello friend, and I just thought it would be a cute addition to my sign. Once you have done that, your decoration is complete. I hope you have enjoyed this cute summer DIY. I'll see you soon.